Hey planner babes, it's Mandy from Create with Mandy, and today I thought it would be fun to show you guys how I'm going to pack my planner tote for this weekend because I'm going to my parents' house and obviously want to bring my planner and some of my stuff. So yeah, I thought what a better time to use this planner tote that I got. I got this in my first squad box. It's pretty great. It has two zipper sides. Two pockets, yeah. And it's got a nice pocket here. I think that's where I'm gonna put my planner. It's got some nice bags that are actually detachable with Velcro and they close. And there's even some like loops over here that I think are for your pens, but I don't know if I'm gonna use it for that. Over here you have a mesh zippered pouch. You have this guy and then another zippered pouch. So yeah, I guess let's just get started. So the first thing I need to do though is go ahead and put in some of the pages that I want to bring with me. So this is my classic catch-all. I love it on mini discs, by the way. I just like a thinner planner. And so let's see. Today we're here. So for September, I already did the monthly and the weekly. So I guess I'll just start here, or I'll just do it in here because it's a nice division with the divider. So I'm going to go ahead and grab the pages from my social media planner, which is this one, and go ahead and pop them in because I want to have that information with me of like my planned posts and when my videos are going up and whatever. So let me go ahead and grab those out. There's some confidential information in there, but I'll go ahead and put those in. Okay, so I can just close it all up with this as the first page, which this is last week. So I don't need to hide that information. There's also a dashboard in there, so that's why it's hard to get in the discs. Yeah, so the dashboard right here. So that is my social media section, so that'll be helpful to have. And I have into the next week as well. Yeah. So this is the whole section. So I don't have to bring the whole planner. Okay. Next, I think, let's see. I'm not gonna bring my Etsy planner. I'm not gonna bring my, oh, let me go ahead and put in my daily gratitude pages just because it's tiny enough so I can do it. So let's put that in right before it. So this is this week and super cute. And let me grab this next week as well. So that's really easy. So what's awesome about the Happy Planner, you can just take out the pages for anything. So perfect. Because I was thinking about not bringing this, but might as well because it's not going to take up any room. Okay, cool. So I think that's it for the planner and what I need in there. So actually, I lied. I have my big planner and I really want to, last week I didn't do it. I really want to keep up with this week. So I'm leaving tomorrow and Thursday. So I want to take these pages and I also want to take the first week of September, which sneak peek, this is what it looks like. But I don't have a big planner, so I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this, but I am going to take it so at least I'll write in it or try to. So I also want to take Squad Girls book and this little tiny pad because that's what I'm using this week. And I love how I'm doing it, planning day by day instead of planning it ahead, which is what I did here. I find that I'm way more creative when I do it like this, and I just love just kind of putting the stickers wherever I want. So I'm going to take that with me too. I think I'll just slide that in one of the pockets and hope it doesn't get too wrinkled. And yeah. Okay, so I have these stickers. I'm also going to bring this one because my mom really wanted this one, and so I'm going to let her like use it in her planner. I've got my pencil pouch. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill that up now with some of the pens that I use. So I'm gonna grab my white Jelly Roll pen. Let's see. This is my regular Muji pen, which I love. You can see that I'm almost out though, so I am gonna bring another one just in case. Actually, this is my last Muji, and next I'm going back to the Pilot G2 in .38. This is also .38. So this one has the same tip, but it's just a Pilot pen. And then what I love about these is that you can buy replacement ink, so just this part, and that is awesome because it reduces your plastic waste, which, if you don't know by now, I'm super into reducing, reusing, recycle, less plastic, environmental, go green, all of those things. Okay, so next I'll bring my X-Acto knife, white out, always good. I'll bring my regular little scissors that I keep at my desk. Let's see. I guess it would be good to have a pencil, but I know my mom's gonna have pencils. She's an artist as well, so I probably don't need to bring the scissors either, or the X-Acto, but might as well. And let's see. I think that's it, but I am gonna go ahead and put this block pad in here. Or not block pad, tiny sticker pad. Yeah, let me bring my Tombow as well. And I think that, oh, mild liner. Yes, that is what I use this in my wellness planner often, so that would be good to have. Okay, so I think that's gonna be it for the pencil pouch. Okay, next I already put some stuff in this little pencil pouch. These are my pens and some of my stuff for my Etsy. Because I am going to leave my shop open and just bring my inventory with me, and if I sell out, then I sell out, but it shouldn't be, shouldn't take up too much of my time since I don't have to actually print and cut any of my stickers since I already have my inventory. So next are some more stickers. So I've got this Summer Fun, which I'm going to let my nephew Michael use because it's pretty like juvenile, I guess, or like little kid, not in a bad way, but like, yeah, I think he would love these stickers. So I'm gonna let him play with those. I'm also gonna bring these 2 new sticker books from Stephanie's collection and bring my Happy Life journal. Actually, I could take out some pages, but I'll see how it fits. Okay, and then I also wanted to bring a couple pages out of here to let Michael plan with if he wants. So that way he has a week here that he can do. Maybe we'll do it together or something. So I'll go ahead and bring those and let me put them in my regular planner. I guess I'll go ahead and put it right here. Okay, nice. I think that is everything, and it's time to go ahead and put it all in my pouch here. So now is the fun part of like deciding where things go. So I think in this nice space right here, I'm gonna put my planner. Also, I don't know, I think this is the right way. No, I had it right because this, I wanna be able to put it in like this. Okay, so here we go. Okay. And I have too much stuff on my desk. Let's see, this guy, let me put in the stickers over here. I think that's where they'll fit the best. Maybe, yes. Okay, so that's 3 books. Let's see how 4 fits. Probably, I don't know, that's pretty thick, so I'm gonna leave it like that. I'll just go ahead and stick this one right here, because why not? This other journal, let me put it on this side. You know, I don't think these big pages are going to fit. Actually, they might if I just lay them in there. But I'll probably just put them in a different, I just won't put them in the tote. Then I've got this, which, you know, I could have just put this stuff in here. And then I could take those out. Let me just do that. Yeah. And then I could do the same with that, but let me just put it in there for now. So in this one, I'll just transfer everything. And then I could always just take this out and put it on the table or whatever. All right, so that is everything. You can go ahead and zip it closed. Nice. Now the moment of truth. See if it'll all close, which it's looking like it will. Okay. So that was a lot of stuff. Ugh. Okay, and this side. Wow, that carries a lot of stuff. I'm like genuinely surprised. I guess it really does expand a lot. So that's really handy. So this is the whole bag and it's gonna be perfect to take with me. Awesome. So that's it for this video. Thanks guys. Let me know what you think below. Do you have one of these? Because I really didn't think it could fit that much stuff, but that's awesome. So I will go ahead and see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.